Opening out the week, it's on a Monday. We started off with a loss. Show y'all the losing trade for the day. I followed my strategy to a T. If you want to be a long-term profitable trader, I'm telling you what to do. YouTube. Look, so we had a loss today. Opening out the week, it's on a Monday. We started off with a loss. We didn't lose too much money today. We lost $228 it was $248. So we did have a small loss, but I just want to talk to y'all about how to overcome losses and keep on being able to be profitable. Because during the journey with trading, I know a lot of traders sometimes, let's say you quit your job. If you quit your job and you're relying straight on trading, there's so much more pressure that's on you that you may not even realize yourself. So now you might start taking dumb trades. You might take trades that don't make sense at all. And like, you're just trying to force everything because you're trying to make some money. But that's not the way it goes about it at all. And with trading, I mean, it is a very interesting journey. Everybody's journey is going to be different at the end of the day. But taking losses, you just got to take it to the chin. So taking it to the chin is not getting down on yourself. It's not throwing a whole little fit or anything like that. It's just sticking to what you know, stick to your strategy. And if you have a winning strategy, at one point, something is going to pay off at the end of the day. So using good risk management is key for you to be able to be successful as a trader. Long story short. And I just want y'all to keep y'all's head on straight, because like I said, every trader is not going to be a winner. Even the best traders in the world, it's not going to be a winner. And I could tell you this from my journey. I could tell you this from anybody else's journey. If somebody has a strategy right now that has 100% win rate, I mean, I think we all should be following them, don't you think? I don't care if I gotta pay all the money in my bank just to have 100% win rate on trades. Forget risking $200, risking $300. Forget all of that. We about to start risking all the money in our bank account. You feel me? But it's no way you can trade and have a winning strategy of 100%. So if anybody ever told you that, they lying to your face. I promise you, they lying straight to your face. So do not believe them. You feel me? Please don't believe them because they are lying to you straight to your face. And I feel like one of the best things to do when you do have a losing day trading is just go out in nature. You feel me? Just go out in nature. You can go work out. Just anything that gets your mind off of trading. If you have another business, another side hustle, or anything like that, you want to go ahead and start working on them, because working on them will be able to help you bring in other revenues that trading couldn't bring. You feel me? So trading is, I wouldn't even say it's inconsistent. It is consistent if you are profitable, but it's not really a passive income. Like, you still got to click the chart. You still got to move the chart around. You still got to hit to enter the trade. So it's not really passive. So if you can work on something that's passive as a passive income for you outside of trading, that could be something you work on when you have a losing day. Because the best thing for you to do is walk away from the charts. If you don't walk away from the charts, you're just going to make stupid decisions. You're going to risk money you don't have to lose. Let's say your daily loss limit, we're going to say $500. Your daily loss limit is $500. You lose that $500 the first hour of trading. Now you come back into the market and try to force another trade that don't make sense, that's not following your strategy at all, might follow your strategy to a T. Like, it really don't matter. You lost that 500. You're like, I'm gonna get some of my gains back. I'm gonna get them back. But you sit there and lose another $200. So now you stuck with a loss of $700 just because you are being greedy. So that's what I'm saying. The best thing to do when you have a losing trade is just walk away. do something productive for the day. Go outside, walk in nature. You can go work out, work on another little small business, work on anything. You can even backtrack trades, you feel me? If you do want to keep on looking at charts, you can look at the charts, maybe paper trade. Don't risk your real capital. I don't even care if you're funded. Do not risk that money just to try to make money back. Because at the end of the day, only thing it's going to do is put you deeper down. Now you out of money and you don't have nothing to trade with. And it just keep on flowing. Let's say you do that 3 days out the week. Same scenario, you risking $500. Let's say you lost that $500 first hour. You take one more trade, you lose $200. Now you're down $700 every day of the week. Now your account does up here, it's all the way down here. And that's just because of you. And that's why it's just so important to not just try to focus on the charts all day and take trades all day. Because in the long run, the only thing it's going to do is hurt you. And I'm sorry for you if you do. If you do make money, good for you. But if you want to be a long-term profitable trader, I'm telling you what to do. Go ahead, cut them losses short, and stick to your plan. Stick to your strategy, cut it short. But now we're about to go ahead and go back to the crib. I'm going to back test and everything. I'm going to show y'all the losing trade for the day. I follow my strategy to a T. But sometimes in a market, it still can be a loser. Even though if you have the perfect setup, sometimes the market just don't work out in our favor. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and go back to the crib now. I just wanted to come out here, walk around a little bit, enjoy nature. See just see nature, man. Got kids up there playing soccer, football. I just wanted to get out the house, talk to y'all a little bit. And yeah, that's the main thing. But like I said, we're going to go ahead and go back to the house so y'all can see this trade. Follow my strategy to a T using Fibonacci. Didn't work out in our favor, but we still have another 4 days to go in this trading week to make money. So don't get stuck on them losses. Let's go ahead, go home, review this trade for y'all, and get back on the grind. All right, YouTube, so we back in the lab, and well, we're gonna go ahead and get into the chart so y'all can see everything and just how the day went for me. Like I said, today was a loss of $248. So I'm gonna just show you my mindset. I did follow my strategy today, but following your strategy don't always work out. So sometimes you are gonna have losers, but it's early in the week, so we still have a bunch of time to recoup from this loss. And I bet you our winners be way bigger than this little loss. Let's go ahead and get into this. All right, y'all, so now we're in the Discord community, and as you can see, I did alert this to my Discord. It was up a little bit. You can see this wick right here was up $15. Only took 3 contracts with this starting out the week, and boom, stopped out trade. Then I also said we have a bit retest on the 618 loan from last week. This is critical for us to hold this zone for the bulls. Last trade had a small push up that made us profit. Overall, today's trade lost $200. And that's until I went to my broker and seen that it was $248. So now we are here into the trade, and this was our trade from earlier. So this was the setup, and this is the bigger picture fib that I did also call out. And same thing for the swing trade. I'm gonna take you over to this. So our swing trade, as you can see, we didn't get filled all the way down, but if I drag my Fibonacci 2 from the high point to the low point, we never got stopped out this zone right here. So that's a good thing for our long positions in a swing play. But we're gonna go ahead and go back over to the day trade. And this trade right here, I would be looking for to get in longs at this little zone right here. If we can come back down just a little bit to retest, as you can see, it's not big at all. But if we can come back down to retest this 618 level, I would be taking longs. Or even if we did have, let's say it pushed up overnight to this level and it came back down, we got in at this entry point. So for this trade, I would want this to be my entry point if it did play out as planned, but if not, hopefully we can get a retest back on the bigger picture field on that 618 level right here. And as you can see, that 618 level is acting as a strong demand zone. So if we did drag this out, we got 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches, and hopefully we can shoot up so our swing plays can be in profit, and hopefully we can make some profit off of our day trade for this as well. But going into this to review the trade, let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and take this away. And this trade was looking very juicy before it did stop us out. So from last week, we did have this 618 level right here. I'm looking for this trend. Let's see. I have my Fibonacci tool up here to down here. I'm gonna put it on the 15-minute. Yeah, okay. So this was the trade I was looking for today, and I just had so much confidence in this trade. I'm not gonna lie to y'all at all, because as you can see, we had a push up right here, and we broke that down. This would be Friday, and Friday we was able to ride it back up to this level up here, and we never got our full take profit with this trade. We did get stopped out at 4 o'clock. I always like to cut my contracts at 4, just because I don't know what the market is going to do after that. So I like to go ahead, rethink everything, look, see if I do like the trade, and when the market opens back up, I would re-enter the trade for that. So since we didn't get our full push up here, I was thinking today we'll go something like this push up, get a push down, get this push up, and I thought we would come back down to retest this level right here for us to break back up to our take profit level. So yeah, so let's go ahead and do this thing this week, y'all. Let's go ahead and have a great week trading. Let's have a great month trading, and let's have a great year trading. Don't let small losses get in the way of your success, because I promise you, if you keep on going and you keep on following your strategy, you can keep a positive mindset, you're going to be able to be a successful trader, and we're going to end the week, we're going to end the month, we're going to end the year with a bang. And like always, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And like I always say, this is our year, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you lock in and do what you need to do to be successful. We out.